Hello everyone, it's me Adrian, and in this first video on my channel I am going to solve a hard Sudoku on the site Sudoku Coach, and I will explain all the simple rules that I apply. So we hit play and I'm going to choose a hard one. Let's see how lucky I am. So, as always, I start with filling the logical candidates. With 1, I don't see anything obvious. With 2, it's a, whoa, yeah, here it's a 2. Okay, what else? By the way, I'm streaming from Ireland. We have an ongoing storm, Amy it's called. It's a bit windy and a lot of rain. Yeah, good weather to stay at home and solve puzzles. So 3, these 2 here. Okay, let's see, 4. I don't see anything. Let's see, 5. No. Okay. 6. Where is the 6? Over here, nothing. 7. No. 8. No. No. And 9. No. So I'm going to fill the candidates, the notes. It has the option to autofill them, so I'm going to use it. I love this thing. Okay, so we start with 1. Let's see what we can fill. Where do we have a single option? We don't start with 1. I see a 6 over here, so we're gonna fill it. Now it's a 9. What? Here is a 4. Here is a 4. A 5. Two. So nothing naked. Singles. Okay, let's take the notes one by one. Or I will leave it like this, and I just click on the digits. Okay, ones, nothing. Nice cup of tea. 2s, I don't see anything. Let's see, 3. 3, nothing. 4. Yes, we have locked candidates because they are the only ones in this block number 5. So this 4 cannot be here and can be eliminated. Therefore, the 4 is here, and I will just fill it. Okay. Let's see number 5. An X-wing, that doesn't help us. Here is a single. 1, another 1. 1, 6, 1, 6. We have a naked pair. So on this column we can eliminate all the 1s and 6. I'll start from here. Take out the 6. Take out the 6. Here we have 1 and 6. Okay. What else? 1, 6, 1, 6. Also in the block I can take out a 6 from here and a 1 from here, and now we have another naked pair, 2, 7, but they are not on the same column or row. Okay, let's go on. I forgot where we were with 4s, I think. Here we have locked candidates, so this 4 cannot be here, and therefore this is the only 4, and we fill it. Okay, let's move to 5. X-wing, nothing to do. 6 locked candidates, so these 2 6s cannot be here in the block 1, so the remaining one is here, so we fill a 6. Okay, another locked candidates, but everything is empty. Here the same. 6 looks fine. Let's see 7 locked candidates. We can eliminate these 2. Okay, I took them out, and let's see, we have 2 left here. So nothing with 7s anymore. 8s. We have here locked, but we cannot use that. Let's see 9. This is the easy part with each puzzle, even with the extremes ones, expert ones. Locked candidates, we can eliminate this one. Okay, 9. Okay, this is 2. Okay, let's have a visual. What formations we have here? It's a naked triple on this row, 138, 138, 18, but it doesn't help anything. It doesn't help us with anything. Here 7, 9. It's a quadruple 1, 2, 7, 9, but it doesn't help us. Okay, 1, 6, 1, 6. We have a triple 389, 389, 389, but we cannot eliminate anything from here. 1, 6, 1, 6. Naked pair. We can eliminate from this row all the 1s and the 6s. So 1 and 1. And now we have a triple 2, 4, 7. These 3 numbers can only be in these 3 cells, here, here, and here. So we can eliminate from the other cells in this block all the 2, 4s, and 7s. So 2, 7, 2, and 7. Okay, so now we have a 1, 9 on this column. So we can eliminate all the 1s and all the 9s. We have a 1 here. Now we have another. So let's stay with 1 and 9. 1, 9, 1, 9. Nothing else to eliminate. Now we have another one. It's 8, 3. On this row we can eliminate this 3. And in this block we can eliminate this 3 and will be 9. This 3 here, so here I said it's a 9, and here will be a 1, and it's not yet broken. Let's see what else we can find. 183, 186, 16, 16, 9. 47, 47, but it doesn't help us because on this column we don't have anything. 2, 5, 6, 9. Okay. 186, 186. Nothing. 7, 2, 6, nothing. Okay, I'll take the notes in consideration once again. Here we have a single one, we can fill it. What else? With one, nothing. With two, we have a skyscraper on these columns, but I don't see anything to see both ends, both of the ends. I will tell you about skyscrapers in another episode. It's a bit of an advanced pattern. So twos, I don't see anything now. Let's see with the three. Single, single, L. Nothing with fours. Nothing with five. Nothing with six. I don't see anything. What else? With seven. Still nothing. Ah, I see a naked pair here. I didn't see it. Let's see the notes for 8. So here we have a naked. Okay. And yeah, we're gonna use this. So 8, 6, 8, 6, it's a naked pair. On this row I can eliminate 8 and 6. 8 and 6. And in this block also. Here we have a 6, here we have a 6, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. And now, what else do we have? So we were with the notes for 8. Singles, leave it like this. 9. With 9, I cannot use this for anything. Let's have a look again if we can find anything. So 8, 6, 8, 6, 1, 2, 1, 7, 6. Is a bit difficult. This is my first online attempt to create a screen recording, but I think I adjusted everything right on my computer. It's late in the night here in Ireland. I will take the notes once again to see what we can find. And now I have a X-wing. So these two locked candidates, they are unique on this row, the same with this. And they form like a rectangle. So we can eliminate everything on the columns. So I can eliminate this one, this one, this one, and this one, and take them out. And it's a great help. Now we have, where is it? 1. We have another X-wing on this column. They are unique. On this column, they are unique. We can eliminate this one. Okay, so here now we are left with a 6, and I think the puzzle starts to break. I think. Let's see. Is this? No, it's a perfect 6. Come on. 27247. It's a triple, but it doesn't help us. 17 289 2989. These three cells, this, and this, they form a naked triple. So 289 cannot be in any other cell in this block. So we have only an 8 here that we can eliminate. And now we have a naked pair, 1717. But nothing to eliminate further. So the puzzle, it's quite challenging. I like it, even if it's only a hard one. The twos, I don't see. Skyscraper. The threes, these two. Let's see the 4, 5, 6. That's a single 6. We can fill it, and that's it. 1. Yeah, I think so. How many minutes? 16 minutes. Oh my god. That's a 9. That's a 5. That's a 7. So that's the puzzle. I spoke a lot. Hopefully you can understand the way I'm solving them. If you want more explanations from me, please drop a comment below this video so we can both learn. Next time I will try to do a vicious one as the next level on this site, and hopefully I will be able to solve it, because I choose them random. I click on them only when I am online with you, and voila, 17 minutes. Okay, dokie, no mistakes, perfect. So guys, thank you so much, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.